And Thailand, coronavirus update. So as you can see, you just kind of see the random people, and some are wearing masks, some aren't. Let's just see if we can count. So let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So 3 no, 4, 5, 6 no, 6, 10 no, 1 yes, 11 no, 1 yes, 12 and 2, 12 and 4, 13 and 4, 13 and 6, 15 and 8, 16 and 9 so far. I'm trying to count them. You can always count them on the video later. This one's a new one. 17 and 9, 17 and 10. So maybe 17 and 10 so far. Here's 3 with a yes, so that's 17 and 13. Let's see, there's 4 coming up this way. 2 with 19 and 16. Is my math okay? So I think so far 19 and 16. So we're still counting 19 and 17. We'll count these 2. No, 4 no. So what's that one? 23 and 18. So 23 without a mask and 8 with it. Here's 2 with. So 13. Let's see. Let's start again. There's 3 without, 1 yes. So anyways, I think it looks like it's, let's see, there's 2 without. There's 1 with, 1 without. I don't know, maybe you can add them up. But you can see, I would say probably 40% have masks, and maybe 60% without. It was kind of funny because I didn't have my mask on for a little bit, and I was thinking that I was in the minority, you know. But now I see that now that I'm wearing my mask, I'm in the minority. But anyways, the coronavirus is here. Actually, I think now that it's getting a little bit more. Let's get in this way. Let's see. The people that come in and out of the train seem to be a higher percentage. So okay, so some of the updates. There's 19 confirmed cases so far. I'm gonna put it like this. There's also the first transmission, human-to-human transmission as well. Let's just go over to a spot. But it's kind of interesting because I was listening to another one. I'll take off my TV. So I was listening to this other one about this one speaker. He was saying that there was somebody in Germany, a couple guys in Germany that had it. So I don't think Thailand is the very first outside Wuhan transmission, but it says it is. Anyways, there's 19 in Thailand. They kind of think that the tourist areas might be hit the hardest. Probably right. I put some other videos up, and one of the things that I've been noticing is people have been asking, you know, should I go to Thailand? Should I go here? Should I go there? I think this is my own personal opinion. My personal opinion is that it's going to get worse. So I think right now we're kind of ahead of it a little bit here. I'm going to take off my mask in a minute. Actually, there's a little string of people all with masks on that just came by. Okay. So let's take that mask off. So my own personal feeling is that it's going to get a lot worse before it gets better. The reason I think that is because I was watching this other doctor. He was talking about, he was examining the cases, like some of the case studies. One of the case studies he saw was that a Chinese woman from Wuhan went to Germany, and she was showing no symptoms at all. And then she arrived, had a business meeting in Germany, and then she, in infected him and one of his colleagues. And then she went back to China and she had no symptoms at all. So one of the colleagues was the first one sick of that group. Then they traced back that contact and then they found out that she actually had it. And then later she showed the signs of it. So it was kind of interesting because that basically means that she wasn't showing signs of the virus. And I'm gonna go back this way. She wasn't showing signs of it, and she passed it on. And then I guess he became sick right away. So they did the timeline of it, and he immediately got sick within like a day. And then like 3 or 4 days later, he was at work. So the other two were coworkers that got sick from him. And I think that they said that he was basically took those days off of work, so they couldn't have been exposed to him until he came back. So he came back and he was feeling well again, and he still passed it on somehow. So they're basically saying that this pretty good expert was saying that, I'll see if I can find it as well and talk about it sometime. But he was basically saying that the way that it's set up, you can actually pass it on when you're showing no signs at all, before and after having had it, after showing the symptoms of having had it. So I don't know, it seems like a totally different thing to me. So I think for me, you know, there's a lot of people here that are just walking around and they're all fine. So that basically means that in the future, a lot more people might come down with it. Like this right there. So, okay, anyways, so we're in Bangkok. I think there's just kind of concerns about where it's going to happen in the future, so we'll see what actually happens. All right. Chiquinha, chiquinha.